Hello everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to teach you about the lowercase letter f. So let's start with me writing my first name, Jeremy, up here at the top. Okay, letter F, lowercase letter f, is a skyline letter. It starts up here in the skyline. And then we point to the skyline, we trace back down all the way to the grass line. And then we go across the plane line, just like that. Let me switch to another color. Okay, and let's start tracing these down here. The letter F, start up here at the skyline, trace back along the skyline a little bit, then go down to the grass line, then go across the plane line. Start at the skyline, go back, down to the grass line, across on the plane line. Skylines curve back, go down to the grass line, across the plane line. And the skyline, go back, curve down, and then go to the grass line, and then go across the plane line. Start at the skyline, curve around, go down to the grass line, and then go across on the plane line. It's beautiful. Let me start some blue ones over here. Blue in the sky, curve around, down to the grass line, and go across next to the plane line again. The letter F is kind of tricky. What if I went straight like this? Down. Oh, curved too much. Let me try fixing that. Instead of curving around that much, it needs to curve and go straight down to the grass line. Okay, then go across the plane line. Start at the top of the skyline, curve around, down, straight to the grass line, go across the middle. Curve around, back, down to the grass line, and across the middle. Curve around, down to the grass line, and across the middle. Okay, that's enough for the lowercase letter f. Make sure you're practicing this lowercase letter f. Thanks.